this guy is talking about annuities, and it might be he's talking about the sizzle, and there's a lot of sizzle about annuities that when we add up into the real formula of what it's going to provide, the sizzle doesn't necessarily match up. And I don't mind the sizzle, but it's like you got to give the whole picture. So let's look at what this guy is showing here, and I'm just going to go straight to, not his mug. Why does it look like I'm zeroing in on the wrong part here? But I'm looking at the left side here, okay? Here, let me do it this way.
It's not getting much better, Kinder.
Not much better, but I need to see the numbers. I'm nearsight. I'm not near. I don't know. My vision is somewhat impaired, so let's go straight to the numbers.
You're nearly farsighted.
Whatever it is. Okay, so this guy is saying at age 55, if you put $1 million in with him, there's this bonus of 100,000, which is really, it's a 10% bonus. And then there's this income for life, which if we look at this, I don't know when this triggers. When does this income for life start? Now, he's talking about at age 55. I have to assume, because most annuities are a deferred annuity, which means that there's certain rules that are enforced by the IRS, that if you take distributions before age 59 and a half, you're going to pay a 10% penalty on the growth. So there's certain rules in there. So I have to assume we got to have at least a 10-year waiting period before we start to trigger this income. And that's what's missing from the numbers here. I wish he would have said at age 65 or age 70, this annuity will do this. And that can help to, really round out the true picture. But seeing the bonus, in age 50, we got the same other, the 10% bonus is the same. Obviously, he's showing it based on however much you're depositing with him to the contract.
The initial upfront deposit or investment amount.
Yeah, and you've got your income for life. Now, the problem is that, to me, this is not teaching us and sharing us the entire picture. And that's something I have a problem with. Now, whether he's actually disclosing all of that while he's talking, I don't know, because I'm not going to listen to him. I just find some of this stuff to be unintentionally misleading.